In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Hulu subscription on a computer. To do this, what you want to do is just type in hulu.com/account, and then from there you will need to sign into your account. And after doing that, you will be taken right here to manage your account. So the link is secure.hulu.com/account. And here, if you are currently being billed, so you have a subscription, for you it will then say the subscription you have right here. So you can see right here what it looks like. So this is the same screen, but you will have your subscription, and then in the middle bottom, there should be a section that says cancel your subscription. There, just go and click on cancel, and then you will be presented with the option to pause your subscription. If you want to cancel, just click select, continue to cancel, and then confirm that you want to cancel it, and then you will not be billed again. So that's how to cancel your Hulu subscription on a computer. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.